Hi, it's time to meet the professor. Hi, my name is Robin McConkey, and I'll be your professor this semester. This is my 42nd year of teaching overall. I know, I'm old. I've taught everything from first grade to college. Right now I'm teaching math at Jordan High School in Canyons District. I love teaching online at Slick, and I've been doing that for like 15 years. Many moons ago, I graduated from college with a Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education from BYU. That's why it's in the middle. After that, I got my Master of Science in Standardized Testing from the U. I taught elementary school then for 30 years. Then I decided to go back to school and get a secondary education degree and a math minor from Utah State. But I don't even teach in the math department here at Slick. I teach in the education and FHS departments, and I love every single class I teach. I'm the mom of 2 biological children and 5 stepchildren for 7 total. I have 9.5 grandchildren. Aren't they just beautiful? The love of my life is Randall. We've been married for about 8 years. He's a chemist, a retired chemist, and a scientific patent researcher. Don't ask, I don't exactly know what he does either. I have 3 beautiful cats named Pythagoras, Aristotle, and Socrates. Pythagoras was a gift from my junior high students when my house burnt down and the cats I had at the time died. We were studying the Pythagorean theorem, so he became Pythagoras. Then we found Socrates and Aristotle, who are twin Himalayans, which are long-haired Siamese. Socrates has white feet that look like socks, but we didn't want to call him Socks, so he became Socrates. Aristotle is named that because he's a ponderer. He does nothing impulsively. Everything requires complete thought. Well, that's me in a nutshell. I love teaching, and I feel like I was born to teach. I'm looking forward to this class as the topics are very relevant in each and every classroom in the U.S. I hope you enjoy the semester and learn a lot.